Morning, friends, and I'm hoping all that you are doing great profits. In fact, yesterday was a slightly very tough day. Uh, we had mentioned to our subscribers. Also, let me just show you. We were looking at jumble fertilizer. We were looking at persistent. We were looking at a lot of stocks. At the opening, we took the Bank Nifty, Nifty put. It was a very quick move from 140. It went to 190 plus, and we had in fact mentioned to our subscribers just a day before. Yeah, this was the we were looking at Axis Bank. Axis Bank tomorrow high volatility. If call moves above 32, 22, we expected 28, 30, but nevertheless that never got active. We also had BTST 51,100 put and 51,700 call, and the put side gave us excellent profit. Dow, we had the the excellent profit after overcoming the loss at 51,700 call. So that's how we were expecting a gap down and more downside. So uh, Axis Bank put side, Axis Bank in fact went more than 6% on the negative side, which was slightly expected due to the results. And also, I think we had mentioned in the chat. Let me just show you Axis Bank. The chart we had mentioned, we had shown yesterday. If you remember, we had mentioned that this trend line, if it breaks, then a downside, and that's what happened. So most of the times we tend to buy and buy at this line, but then the pattern was clearly suggesting weakness. This is the pattern here. Uh, Sorry. So this is the pattern which was formed, but it had to fall down. This is a healthy correction when an uptrend market. In fact, so it is all manipulated one way. If you see, if you observe, read the market well, as per our experience, it's all manipulated. People, see if you see here, uh, open high and clear downside. So yes, it is a good bull rally. We would have made good profit for bought here or here or here, whatsoever. But nevertheless, it's almost at the same place now. In few days and weeks. Having said that, we mentioned Bank Nifty tomorrow. Bank Nifty future below 50,950, then go for 50,570. So this is the Bank Nifty. It opened 950 and then 50,600 was the low. So with just about few minutes, everything got closed. Secondly, it is very important. Why I'm showing this is that it is very important to understand the market. Okay, market is bearish, trail stop loss, but after a while, also we mentioned premium killing is high. So let's be careful. Nifty is bullish, Bank Nifty is bearish. So very tough day with slow movements, unlike yesterday. So cautious. And we mentioned go long in Nifty, 24 to 50 call above 25. We took a long there, and then we also had one small hero zero trade. But without a hero zero, we said let's close. mm, ah, let's close this long side. So we are having some trades for ready for today, Jubilant Food, Airtel, and all that. So let's look at Sensex because today Sensex XRE. If you see Nifty bearish, but Nifty as we said, bullish. Did you see the recovery? Difference between Bank Nifty and Nifty? So before you enter a trade, it is understand clear cut view analysis of the market is very important. Okay. Now let's look at Sensex. Sensex, I wanted to inform there are two levels I'm looking at very clearly. I am going to be bull or look for long trades only. Sensex or long trades above 80,000 to 28, and short trade below 79 70 or 788 also. So I will look for these type of trades. If you are asking my view, uh, it has got a good support. If you check at the uh, uh, data and other things, it has a good support, but then Bank Nifty is still the same. Unless it moves above 51,000 400, 200 and 580 or 590, it is going to be the same way. And also, if you see the pattern, it is not interested to move up. It is just it just moves like this and then comes down. It moves like this and comes down. That's the how the Bank Nifty is. Whereas Nifty is very opposite. You see here how it has been trading in this trend line, uh, within this trend line. But every dip it moves up. Every dip it moves up. So it doesn't mean it should continue. It may reverse. They may switch roles also. So be cautious. Very simple. I shared levels in Sensex. If you're looking at Nifty, I will look for long trades. I'm still bullish in Nifty, and I'll wait for the dip. Again, the dip depends on how it dips. If it is dipping this way, I'm happy to go long. However, if it moves like this, I will be very cautious. I will not be very aggressive on the longs. Though it is moving up, I would be very careful. Whereas in the dip, I look to buy. It's a good opportunity. Uh, this is a pattern right now which is formed, which may continue like this. Okay, and same with Sensex, I guess. Yes, it also has formed the same pattern. Possibilities that it may continue, but it is also forming this pattern. So it may trade like this for some time. If it moves up, it is good. As I have mentioned, these are the levels here. Uh, you can make a slight adjustment. These are, I'm looking at heavy bullishness. Here and there, if it is 140 or something, 80,000, 140 also back bullish. Here and there, maybe the price, but these are very important levels. Very strong moves can be seen at these prices, right? So many are interested in Reliance. If you see Reliance, I had mentioned this flag, but then I also mentioned it doesn't mean that has go up. But now it is forming a different pattern. This is a good pattern for long, but I want some confirmations yet. Once I get confirmation, I will definitely go aggressive long. But yes, equity, it is a good point to keep buying here until uh, this level is until this level is holded. But if you're asking intraday Reliance, it is If I, at this level I will sell, at this above this level I will buy, because that's how the pattern is. You look at how clearly it is formed a triangle, right? It is stuck. Okay, and HDFC Bank, I think most of you are interested in HDFC Bank for long term. Yes, it is in a good positive zone, uh, but if it moves below, if it sustains this level, I'm long. Otherwise, below this level, I'm again thinking of shorting. So thanks for joining. God bless you all. Take care and have a profitable day. Take care of your health. That's very important. Uh, Always remember, give. If you want something, learn to give. There's a wise saying. It's not a wise saying. It's a universal truth. If I am giving something to a friend heartily, somebody else will give me heartily. But if I give it with a frown, I get back the same with like a fixed deposit, and it gets and comes back in multiples. Uh, IT TCS I had observed. Let me share my observation on TCS. TCS is, of course, uh, looks bullish, but then uh, it is at a zone which can we have to be cautious. Uh, this is a pattern which is being formed at the higher levels. Need to be cautious. Don't go aggressive longs at these levels, and trade carefully. Take care. Bye bye.